What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have another technical analysis on Golem, except this time it's going to be to the BTC value, not the USD value. Currently up about 3% for the day, looking at BTC value, sitting at 2,900 Satoshis. But really quick, though, guys, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 266 billion. Today's volume 9 billion. Bitcoin dominance slightly below 45, sitting at 44.9. Bitcoin up 1% for the day, guys, up sitting just barely above 7,000. Ethereum up 3, sitting at 400. Ripple just barely at 50 cents, up 2%. Bitcoin Cash up 1%. Litecoin up almost 1. EOS up almost 2, sitting at 1.5%. Cardano's up 5%, sitting at 15 cents, trying to get some of that. Big winners today, guys, probably the same ones. Particle up 19%. Substranium up 11, wow, sitting at 40 cents. Dragon Chain up 9%, sitting at 77 cents. I need to get some of that while it's under $1. Enigma up 8%, sitting at $1.46. Also need to get some of that as well. Who are the big losers today? Let's see. Centrality down 6. Elastos down 6. Ontology down 6. Well, these were big winners not too long ago, so I'm not surprised they're down here. Skycoin slightly down. VeChain sitting at $2.53. I was just talking to my friend about this. I need to make a video for that, by the way. I've been kind of lagging on that, but video coming soon, guys. Market cap sitting at 170 million for Golem here. Today's volume 5.6 million. Circulating supply 834 million. Total supply 1 billion. Major exchanges here, guys. Huobi. Wow, that's crazy that Golem to USD Tether is the first one. You know, it's the most volume. That's nuts, but barely though, not by much. Major exchanges here, guys. Huobi, Liquid, Bittrex, Poloniex, Etfinex. Who else? Who we got? Litecoin, Heat Wallet, CoinFalcon, and Robinhood looks like are the major exchanges there. But you guys came here for some technical analysis. Let's go ahead and switch over to the charts. So we didn't get that break and close above 7,000 here on my daily, but you know, it seems like we just barely closed right below it. But I'm most likely going to be adding to my Bitcoin position here, guys, later in the day. Going to be a small one. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. I know it's definitely looking bullish here. Actually, maybe not. So what I'm waiting for is, so we got that break above this zone, came back down to test it for support. Now what I'm waiting for is a break above this zone right here. So once we clear this zone, guys, I believe Bitcoin should be good to go. Let me go ahead and mark the small zone for us. Waiting for a break above this zone. Once we get the break and close above this zone, should be good to go, guys. But remember, this is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. So wait for the break and close above 7,100, it looks like. Let's go ahead and switch over to Ethereum. Ethereum kind of doing the same thing here. Didn't get that break and close above this zone. However, it did become a bullish engulfing. And if we go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, 4 hour doesn't show any signs of slowing down. What I'm waiting for is that break and close. Let me go ahead and draw my little zone actually. Here we go. Waiting for the break and close above this zone, guys. Once we do break and close about $400, it should be good to go. Got a nice bottom 1. Bottom 2, let me go ahead and take out my little paintbrush. This is what I'm seeing, guys. Remember, this is all subjective. This is my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Just got to keep saying that because, well, you know, people being people. But just waiting for that break and close above $400 before I decide to add to my position. Let's go ahead and switch over to Litecoin. Litecoin, you know, we actually didn't get that bullish engulfing. Usually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin kind of behave the same. Didn't get that bullish engulfing here at our major support at about $100. But if we go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is showing us. We still haven't, let me go ahead and draw that support level, or resistance, sorry. Still waiting for that break and close, guys, above this zone. Once we do break and close about $120, I believe Litecoin should be good to go. But again, guys, this is just my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. Got a bottom 1, bottom 2. Looks like this could be maybe potentially a third bottom. We could have a huge push towards the upside, actually. But again, waiting for that break and close above 120 before I decide to add to my position. But if not, definitely expect, if this support doesn't hold, let me stay on the page. If this support doesn't hold, guys, expect Litecoin to fall from about 117 down to 75. But again, this is just my personal opinion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I feel like it's just embedded in my head, and sometimes it just comes out. Like, I don't even really mean to say, hey, guys, you know, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor, blah, blah, blah. It just comes out. You know, I feel like I just say it too much. It's just part of my routine, part of my habit now. But we're looking at Golem to BTC, guys. Let's go ahead and switch over to the weekly really quick. Show you guys what I see on the weekly. So we have our all-time high here at about, well, not really all-time high. Our all-time high is way up here, but we're not going to look at that. So our all-time high you know, quote unquote, is about 2,708, 2,000 or 27,000, sorry, 800 satoshis. We got some major resistance here at about 23,000. Major resistance again at 17,500. Another resistance at 11,250. Oops. And then a resistance at 7,000 and a resistance at 4,500. So I believe Golem has hit its 2018 lows, guys. This is the lowest it's ever been in, you know, in comparison to Bitcoin value. Well, you know, not really. The lowest it's actually ever been. It's about 1,500, 600, or 1,560 satoshis. We're currently hanging out, you know, twice the amount of that. But it definitely looks like, you know, this is our major support here. We came down to this level, huge push towards the upside, and we're actually came back down. And what I'm thinking is going to happen is we're actually going to be forming a whammy double bottom here. We got bottom one, potentially bottom two here forming for us. What I'm waiting for is the break and close above 3,300 satoshis. Once we do decide to break 3,300 satoshis, let me go ahead and draw that line for you. Once we do decide to break this level here, guys, I believe Golem should be good to go. Where do I see Golem going towards the end? Well, I'm all about just hodling cryptocurrencies. This is just going to be the future. No point in selling them the way I see it, you know, at least not for short-term gains. But what I'm kind of expecting here is from Golem to go to about almost 3,000 satoshis, all the way up to about 30,000 satoshis towards the beginning of 2019, guys. Probably going to be happening February, March. But again, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Golem is definitely one of them. I don't really talk about Golem too much, but Golem is definitely a coin that is in my portfolio that just kind of, you know, in the background. But definitely a big fan of Golem, guys. Definitely do your own research if you're interested. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.